Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to create this beautiful financial analysis dashboard. Okay, so let's start and let me first show you how actually it is working. So here we have created this beautiful visuals and the shape and cards in this dashboard. Okay, on the basis of some financial data and how it is working. If I will select quarter 1, you will see everything is getting changed. Okay, what is the in the okay, what was our income and cost in Jan, Feb, March, and accordingly we can see the sum up of the cost as well, and total income and total net worth as of quarter 1. Okay, quarter 2, if I will press alt C, so all the filters will get clear. Alt C, you see everything got clear, right? So let's create it together, okay, so that you guys can learn it how we can create such a dashboard. Okay, so here I do have this data. Okay, my data was only till here. Okay, till here I'm pressing Control N. I created a new workbook and pressing Control V. Okay, and here first I need to create a month column equal to text. I'm just taking the month from the date first, and the second, actual income. What would be your actual income? It means your total income, your total income minus expenses. This is the actual income that you have done, right? And profit, if you will do the profit or net worth, you can say, so it will be this minus your actual cost. So this is the actual net, the profit you are just making, against each date. Okay, so here we have created a helping columns here. If you will look at, okay, now we need to first of all enable the, we need to make tabs first of visible. Alt F11, I need to press OK, and now I have my tabs here. So I'm renaming as a data. Okay, and I'm creating one pivot table on this data. Alt NVT, enter. Okay, first I want to have a total net worth sum that I did. Okay, first let's change it. Okay, this number is so big and we can't read it, it is really tough to read this number, so let's convert it into the thousand. Control 1, I already taught you in my videos. Hashtag comma 2 times hashtag, comma k, and enter. Simple. This is how that you can make the numbers in the readable format. That is what actually we have done. Now let's copy it and paste it, and here I want to have a, against each month is here, and month is here. Now I want to know cost versus income, and I don't want to show the number. I simply want to show it, okay, in the percentage. So what I can do, I can divide these number from the grand total. So what I can do, I can right click on this, show value as sum of percentage of a grand total. Okay, and right click, show value as a percentage of the grand total. So what does that mean? If you will see, so my cost was 5.74, but I made the income 5.86, right? This is what actually we are showing, right? This is what also we created. Now let's copy it and paste it. Now what else? I want to know the branch wise total income we made. Okay, total profit, sorry, total profit I want to say. Total net worth, you can say net worth, or actual income, you can do it. Let's drag the actual income and branch is here. You see, this is what actually we have done. And I also want to make it in the percent, show value as grand total, percentage of grand total. Okay, that is what actually we have done. Okay, now copy it again and paste it. I now, what next I want to have, I want to know the total cost. The total cost is here. Total cost is here. Total cost is here. Now you need to again copy it and paste it for total income. So total income is here. So what we are doing, this is very simple dashboard. Okay, you guys can make it by yourself, okay, by just creating a pivot table. Okay, that is what we have done. Now what we need to do, now let's equal this cell from here, format the number and equal to this, copy and format it, equal to this, copy and format it. Okay, all right, that is what actually we have done so far. Now let's make it as a support sheet. Now I want to create one more sheet for the dashboard. This name is dashboard. That is what actually we have done. Now first remove the grid line. This is very important part we are doing now. Go in the home, select the color as this one, control double A first. Okay, fill the color as this one. Okay, now let's create one, first shape. I'm having this shape, drag it till here. Okay, drag it till here according to you, drag it till here. Now let's make it as not this one, this one, not this. Okay, now let's have it, and let's make it gray, gradient. I want to have it, what I want to have it, I want to have in which form. So let me see which form is so good. I have the color code as well here. So what I can do, I can copy and paste. I have this color code, copy it, right click, you can go in format shape. In the format shape you can go here, little down, go here, more colors. Okay, this is the, copy it and paste it somewhere. Okay, this is the color code, copy it. Now click here and go in shape format, go in shape fill, more colors first, more colors, and paste it here. Okay, in the hex you need to paste it, simple, and click OK. You made the color. Okay, this is what actually I want, and I want to give some shape style as well, shape effect I want to give. So what I can do, I can click on drop down, come here and select this one. Now it is looking good. Now right click, give the name first, copy it and paste it, copy and paste it, and right click first and write here financial dashboard. Yeah, simple, financial analysis. Okay, make it center. Okay, and let's make it little bigger. Okay, that's what actually we have done. Come and made the shape and just change the shape style. Okay, so you need to drag it little down, little down, little down. Now I think it is good, little more down. Okay, that is what actually we have done so far. Let's have a look how it is looking. It is looking good now so far. Now what next I want to have, I want to have a total net worth first of here in the circle. So now let's create a one circle. Go in insert, go in the shape. Here you have a circle. Where is this? Here. Okay, let's make the circle here first, and first make it as blank or not a blank. Okay, no fill, no fill. Okay, simple. And now let's create this text box. Okay, draw it here like this, and after that write here total net worth, simple. Okay, and make the font size little small so that it can be adjust itself. And I don't want to have any color first, I just need to make it as a no color, and font color should be as white and bold, simple. And I don't want to have even outline as well. So what I can do, I can remove the outline from here. That is what actually I have done so far. Let's make it little up and copy and paste it and drag it here, and equal to, go in the support sheet. This is what actually you need to select. Okay, and let's make it big and bold. Okay, big and bold, big and bold. Okay, now I want to have one icon here of net worth. Go in insert, click on icons. Okay, now here you need to basically write here money. You can write, okay, money. I want to have this icon, click OK. So here I have an icon. Let's make it little small and adjust it here and select this color. Okay, so far we have done this. What next we need to do, we need to have a one line chart on this data. Click and just keep your cursor inside the pivot table. Go and insert, select the line chart like here, Control X, paste here, Control V, simple. Okay, right click and hide all the field buttons first. Okay, and go and make it in the center, make it on the blue. Okay, I want to have my legends on bottom. simple, and adjust it somewhere like this. Okay, adjust it like this somewhere. Okay, now we are good to go so far. Remove the axis, remove the grid line, and make it little, black and little big first. Okay, and what next? Right click and go on format plot area, click on the line chart, and after that you need to come here and the gradient, not a gradient, solid. In the solid you will have to select the colors as you want to have. I want to have a green, for example. Okay, and I want to have this line width too small and too thin. Okay, okay, it's good so far. And what next? Copy, and just now I want to have it in the red, not red, maroon color. And width, I want to have the width of line chart as very small, 0.0 pt. Okay, I want to have it as a smooth line. The same here, I want to have it as a smooth line. Simple. Okay, what next you need to do? You just need to select and keep your cursor in the chart, go in the plus icon, and data label, you need to enable the data label. Simple. Here very clearly you guys can see, okay, what is your, this is sum of cost is in the maroon color, which is, it is the cost line, and upper is your, the income line. Okay, so what you can do, you can remove the background color, go in the format. You don't want to have any color, so it is no fill color. And what is this? And you also should have a icon of it, right, as well. So what you can do, I can, I can just copy it. No, I can just copy this text box, copy and paste, and drag it here on. Let's make it black, and right here, okay, month wise cost versus income. Okay, and drag it. Now it is looking really good. It is really looking good, very good. Okay, that is what actually have done so far. Now let's make it in the full screen. So how good it is looking? It's looking good so far. Okay, just drag down this, shape, and now come here. What next? You should have a one donut chart on this data. Okay, insert, go and select any donut chart, cut it, come here. Okay, and paste it. After pasting, you will have to, you will have to first make it, as per the size of the shape, and right click and hide all the buttons first, and make it your legends on the bottom side. Okay, bottom side, and make it little. Okay, instead of total, right here, branch wise actual income. Okay, let's make it little small and black. Okay, and bold. I don't want to have any color on the background of the donut chart. I can come here, I can say no fill. In the no fill, you will see how actually beautiful it is looking now. Okay, go and data label you need to on. Okay, and data label you should have, very, you can have your data label outside of the donut chart here, and select it, and you need to, drag it according to your chart. Okay, that is what you have done. Now let's make it in the full screen again. Okay, really it is looking good and simple and good, looking good. Okay, you can refer it for your dashboard actually, in your organization. Now what next? You need to go in the insert, just copy it and paste it. Okay, the shape again, again you need to reshape it like this. Come here. Okay, and copy and paste. You need to have a copy and paste, something like this. Okay, all right. Okay, all good so far. Now let's make it lit. Now let's change the color. You need to change it as not a maroon. For example, you want to have your, this one is good. And what next? Next should, you should have something like, not like this, not like this. Okay, light color is great, no worries. Okay, Now let's take one text box from here, copy it, come here and paste it. Total cost, you want to show here your total cost or total investment, total cost or investment, you can say investment. Okay, now let's stretch the text box, increase the size of it, make it black, make it black. Okay, it's good so far. Copy and paste, come here and equal to, you need to select equal to, come here, total cost is here, click and make it big, make it big, little small, not this much. Okay, it's looking good. Now again you want to have one icon, go and insert, take one icon from here of cost. So for the cost, what you can do right here, simply cost and take it this dollar sign, click insert and now just drag it here, simple. Okay, it's really looking good. Okay, it's really looking good. Now what you can do, for just copy it and paste it, copy, and here you will have to write as total income. Okay, total income, and now you need to copy it, copy and paste it, and equal to, you need to do equal to the cell icon of this, click here and make and increase the size of it, increase the size of it accordingly. Okay, as per your requirement, little small, one small. Okay, it's good. What next, you need to have this little down. Okay, what next, the one more icon you need to have here, you need to have, which is your income. Okay, right here income, let the income, for the income, take it and come here and drag it, sorry. Okay, drag it here. Okay, drag it here. Now if you will look at, so it is really looking good, you see the exact same, and the this one which I have shown you, this one, you guys can change the color, and this one is really looking good. So if you want to have it little down, you can have, and if you want to change the color of it, what you can do, go in shape. Okay, go in shape, click here, click here, go in shape format, select any color like green color for example, and you want to have a different color here. So what you guys can do, you can select any color, as per the requirement. You see it is really looking good now. Again, you see, correct. So the color is something which is on, which is up to you, that you guys can change it by yourself as well. Okay, so what next we need to do, we need to set the slicer as well. So what you can do, just click here and go in pivot table design, click on insert. Before that, I want to have the quarter. So quarter, you need to write a quarter, and here ceiling function we have, write here month, take the month from this date, comma 3 divided by 3. So this is your quarter, the quarter will come. Okay, quarter will come. Now let's JTID, change the range of the pivot table, range of the pivot table, so that you guys can connect your all the pivot table together. Okay, great. So we are good to go so far. Now what you guys can go in the table design, click on insert slicer, check agent and quarter. Okay, first now let's take the quarter, cut it and go here and paste it and come here, and what you guys can do, you can go in the slicer and make it as column should be as 2. Okay, and I already have created the custom design of my chart. You guys can do it by yourself as well. Okay, just run it. I do have my, no, I don't have, you see, I don't have, right? So now let's change. Now let's create the new slicer style. Come here, first you need to copy it, copy this first, copy it, go right click, go in slicer, come here, new slicer. You want to have your whole slicer as what, you want to have your whole slicer as the color you have in the shape. Okay, paste it and okay. And after that you don't after that font you want to have as white. Okay, first header is no select item with the data, whatever selection you will make, that background should be as white. Okay, and font color should be as black first. Okay. Okay, and unselected item with the data you should have everything in the blue. Okay, in the blue, or font color should be as white. Okay, click OK. You have this one, click on it. Okay, you see you don't want to have a quarter icon, you can remove it by right clicking slicer setting. You have here show item with the data or display header, you can uncheck it, but I am not unchecking. Okay, what you can do, again you come here and select this slicer of agent, come here and paste it here. Okay, and drag it little down and make it little small and little small, like till Rahul. Okay, now what you can do, go in slicer we have already have created, select this one. Okay, what you need to do, just make it in the full screen. Now it is really looking good, you see. Okay, what I can do, I'm right clicking on it, going in the report connection and connecting your all the pivot table here. Okay, all the pivot table here I connected it. First right click, for the agent also, report connection, connected all the pivot table together. Okay, you see. Now if I will click somewhere, for example I'm clicking on Arun Kumar, you see in Arun Kumar these all the data you are able to see, all new of Arun Kumar. You don't want to have it cross it, you want to see the data of quarter one. You see this is the quarter one data, this is the quarter four data. You can also have here one more slicer of year if you have a multiple years. I do also have, but I have not shown you. Okay, and you guys can do it by yourself as well. So but this is something which is really looking good, and it really can help you a lot to making a mini dashboard, okay, for your organization. Okay, so I hope guys that you have liked the video, and thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot everyone. And I will also attach this file, okay, in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. So thank you so much.